Good morning from Koh Lanta. I've just checked out the hostel. Lucy left this morning to... God, it's so sunny. Lucy left this morning to go back home. It's the end of her trip. So now I go solo. And I'm going to Koh Lanta next, which is the next island along. But there's not a ferry until like 1:30. I think it's a speedboat, which I'm nervous about because they make me quite nauseous. But yeah, I just got to kill a couple of hours with my backpack. Just arrived at my hostel and this woman next door has told me it's closed. Oh, what do you mean? The woman's just told me to come to a different hostel, which is also owned by them. But she's told me the other one's closed and they use this one now. So I'm very confused, but there's still nobody here. I'm fucking crying. I'm pissed off. I've just rung this number and they've just said that their hostel's closed and that you can't book on booking.com anymore. And I was like, well, that's fair enough, but I have a booking, so did you not think to like contact me and tell me that you've closed your hostel? So now I've got to find another hostel. I don't have any water on me and I'm just really knackered. I was just really looking forward to sitting down, going and getting some food and drink. It's like nearly 2 o'clock. I'm so hungry because I've not eaten all morning. So I'm just really pissed off and I've got to go and it's so hot outside today, there's no shade and I've got to go and find a new hostel. I found a hostel I can afford. Just got to walk half an hour to get there. I'm stressed about money because I'm running out really quickly and I think this has just put a bit of stress on me and now I'm just feeling like I'm allowed to feel it, I guess. I'm trying to find somewhere to use a toilet and get a drink, but everywhere's just closed. Right guys, let me get this backpack off because I'm sweating all the time. I'm in a hostel. It's not ideal. I'm on a top bunk. I'm sleeping or someone is sleeping. I'm on a top bunk, so it's not ideal. I'm just gonna stay one night I think and then head to Krabi. So we'll just go to the beach this afternoon. We'll still have a chill afternoon, but I'll cut my time in Koh Lanta short, I think, to save money. Because I think you just need like a scooter or tuk-tuks to get around here. Yeah. The hostel have given us a free fruit shake, which is really cute. Very inventive. reflection moment, thinking about like solo travel, why I love travelling, and like when scary things happen like they did yesterday, where I was genuinely thinking like any second I could lose my life here, but are so like still like the best, make the best moments, and how you should just if you can, obviously financial things the biggest reason why most people can't travel, and it's very different being someone who can just get a £5 bunk bed and having a big family. But if you can travel, if you're the only one that's holding your back, well, you should just go and do it. And I know I was just saying about like just do whatever, face your fears, but yesterday's situation has kind of put me off going to Riley because you have to get a long sailboat to get there. I mean, there's other factors, like it was beautiful, like it looks beautiful, but I think in theory I'm not doing as much as I feel like I'm going to, and that's fine. Sometimes you don't have to put pressure on yourself to do everything. So for example, like on Koh Lanta, I was like, I'm going to go to Pig Island, I'm going to go to the viewpoint. That was a wave. Gonna go to the viewpoint, I'm going to go to these cafes. And just realistically, because we didn't rent a scooter, it doesn't mean you can't get to places. I can't see. It doesn't mean you can't get to places, it just means you probably spend a lot more trying to get to these places. So we didn't do anything, and that was fine at the time because we were chilling, but it's just become a trend of me going to these nice beachy places. I love a beach, but not doing much. So really the faff and the money getting to Riley, for me probably to sit on the beach, to be honest, it's not, I don't think it's worth it. If I was going to do rock climbing or something maybe, but I'm just running out of money, which is the other factor. So I think I want to simplify my trip. So I figured that out this afternoon. I'm going to go back to Krabi tomorrow, which is where I went with Lucy. I really liked it. It felt really chill, which is the opposite to what I've heard Krabi's like, but I really liked it anyway. I'm going to go back to Krabi, reset, have some me time, and then I'm going to go on to Koh Lanta and have a bit longer in Bangkok than I planned, because there's quite a lot still there that I'd like to get done and see. So that's the plan. It is about 5:30 now. I'm on the lovely beach. I think I'm just going to put an audiobook on, go and find some quiet space, watch the sunset, and then find some food.
Room in Krabi. It's very simple. Some would call it jail-like, but honestly, it's enough for me. It was about £4 a night, and I get free drinks, we're talking like not alcoholic drinks, free water, free tea, free smoothies, with like crackers and stuff. So yeah, very glad to be here and just have some me time. I'm gonna do some laundry and then just go and chill and have some food, and yeah.
Good luck, clothes. See you later. Way. This is the washing machine where I'm doing my clothes. There's some areas down there, but they're in the smoking area, and I don't want my clothes to smell like smoke, so you might see what that situation is if I can move anything. There's some sinks here. Bonjour. It's a big old balcony thing. Hello, Krabi. Another day, another night market. Let's go. So I've just got the banana and milk right. Hi, I've got back to my hostel. I'm not feeling too good. I was feeling really poorly last night. I was feeling better this morning, but this afternoon I just wanted to chill. So I've just borrowed a book off the book swap at the hostel, and there's like a hammock, so I'm just gonna chill out and just read. Just realised that the sheet, the blanket at my hostel is actually like a towel material. which sounds horrible, but it's so like comfy in the heat. Not mad about it at all. I was like, is it definitely a blanket? And it definitely is. It's massive, and I have another towel, but it's so comfy. Good morning from Krabi. It is midday. I'm just eating some crackers that are complimentary from my hostel. They're really good actually. They have sugar on them, which I've not had before. They'd be absolutely delicious as like a s'more. Anyway, I'm in Krabi. It's midday. I've had a slow morning because I still have a bit of a weird tummy and I just want to rest a lot. I'm dehydrated and yeah, just trying to look after myself. But I am still gonna see a little bit of Krabi. There's like a mangrove forest just on this beautiful side of the road. My hostel's just behind me. So I'm just gonna go to 7-Eleven and get some lunch and then go explore this mangrove forest. These are the fish that have like essentially hands. It says they're from 1 centimetre to 1 foot. Mangrove forest, and we've just come for some lunch. So these guys have got like soup, we've got some pork and rice. I've just got plain rice because I'm still being safe, although I'm risking it with a milk tea, and these guys have also...
You missed the rain.
Yeah, I think we've just... Oh my goodness. Yeah, we've come at the right time. Perfect. These guys are staying in Ao Nang, so we're going to get lunch and then see where the afternoon takes us. What's the best thing you've done in Thailand?
The first thing.
The best thing?
Don't tell her about the ping pong.
The what?
The ping pong.
Oh, on Koh Lanta Road?
Yeah, Calton Road.
Oh.
No, that was a weird night.
Probably the kayaking in Renae. That was really cool. Like there was like 3 hours kayaking in the water.
Okay.
We saw like stingray in the not stingray.
Oh, sick.
Yeah, it was super cool.
How much have you loved Thailand?
So much. Like definitely the best part was going to Renae Beach because it was most beautiful beach ever. And jet skiing. Jet skiing was very fun. I screamed like the whole time.
Okay, so my new pals who I met at the mangrove forest have just gone back to Ao Nang where they're staying. But I'm going to meet up with Shivani, I think, in Bangkok on the 5th. But they've just recommended this temple to me, which looks super beautiful, so I'm just going to go and have a little explore. Krabi actually, because me and Tony from my hostel were discussing it, and I've heard a lot of people and a lot of tourists say that Krabi is a bit like Phuket or Pattaya in the eastern side of Thailand, or like the Khao San Road area of Bangkok, and it's so far from it. It's really, really peaceful and quiet and family friendly and quaint, and it's really lovely, and I really, really love Krabi. Hello, I am just in Supitcha store with Jean and Lau, who own this lovely store, and it's beautiful, and they're the nicest people, and it's been so lovely to meet them. Khop ka. Okay, so I just went in that store, just browsing, and they were the two cutest ladies, and their food was so nice and so affordable, and they were like, "Oh, try this on, you look beautiful in it." But I don't think it was like, I don't think it was a money thing at all. They were just so like lovely, and they were just telling me I was really beautiful, and they loved my hair and all of this, and they were so nice. And I was saying that everything was too small, and they were trying to find things that were big enough, but I didn't like any of them. And they were just so super nice. So yeah, I got myself a cheeky little dress that I probably wasn't going to buy, but it was like £2.40, and a really, really lovely souvenir, and it's made their day, so. Good morning. The time is a bit past 10 o'clock. I have a bus to Koh Lanta at 11:30, so I'm just going to go get some cash out, get some breakfast, then get some snacks for the road.